Okay, Woodlands Resort. We had a 4-inch line in the main kitchen that generates from the big stainless pots, steel pots, cooking area, comes through the salad prep area, and then out to the hallway. Approximately 5 years ago, 6 years, approximately 8 years ago, we repaired a small section in this hallway. We're picking up now right where our new PVC is starting. We've got, the kitchen's running, so we've definitely got fluids coming through, but probably get a better visual when we pull back, because again, we're going with the water. Yeah, they got a lot of sinks running. Go ahead, let's just run it. Come out. There we go. We're trying to stay ahead of the water. We got some grease in here already from their prepping. Good PVC all the way through. This is approximately 85 to 90 feet of pipe. We had some turns in here. We got food already building up in here. We're going to set it up for the new PM. But as you can see, yeah, we got some dirty pipe here. A lot of dirt. Okay. So that's the grease trap. Okay. As you can see, we have got good flow now, no issues with the pipe, everything should be good.